Hello and welcome to Steve's Backyard Bonsai. This is my Long Island Vineyard Penjing, which I pruned once right after the leaves started to appear, which was late this year. Just did a branch selection and then I let it grow, and it got entangled with everything on the bench. So I had to come in and hack it away. I didn't even look at what I was doing. I was just disconnecting it from everything that it was connected to. And that's it. I just let it grow. So today it's going to get its hair cut back to right about, well, I'll decide where, because I may not be able to do what I'm thinking. And the other thing I want to do is, this weed is actually miniature daisies, which I had in little pots when I first put this together. I went out and bought this stuff from a store, I think that's called, I don't know, Fairy Gardens or something. And it really is kind of nice, and I'm cultivating more of it in a different pot. So I want to move this, which has taken over this pot, or this corner of this pot. I want to move this to another pot. Let me get an interim something to put it in. Got this little tray. Maybe I need a different tool. Well, I'll come back when that's done. All right, so here's the stuff that was growing in this little tray. Here's the stuff I just planted. It's kind of flat. And I wanted to point out that, oh, Rack Cross, if you're out there, this is the tripod that I redid during Dave's Bonsai Expo. I took out the thing that died. I don't even remember what it was, but it died, and I put a cotoneaster in there, and it's doing great. It has some roots down below the bottom of the pot. I had it in this tray, and it's doing so well I want to leave it here. And also, my friend Ralph from the club, he had given me a golden rain tree, and this was growing in the pot with it. So I just stuck it out into this little, this is a little teacup that he converted into a bonsai pot. So that's still alive in here, so we'll see what we can do with that. And my miniature daisies hopefully will take off, and they'll have a future home somewhere in one of my plantings. They are cute when they bloom. All right, let's get back to the grapevine Penjing. All right, so here it is. It had been hacked because it needed to be hacked. I'm just going to cut off what I see is superfluous and dead and dying back and no longer needed. But I want this Long Island vineyard to look like a Long Island vineyard even in the wintertime. And in the wintertime, they cut them back all the way. I'm going to try and maintain this little harp that's happening here. And I want more to grow on these low ones, but I'm going to cut it back pretty severely. And let's get to it. All right, this one reaches all the way to the end, which is good. I'm going to cut it just below there. Still has a leaf at the end. This one, I think I'm going to cut it right to there. So now this whole trunk has got to come from what I left here. All right. I definitely want to cut it below this. This one goes back to the middle, but this one's too close to it. This one looks like it would be able to sprout from there. I'm going to choose this one. And I'm going to do away with that one. All right, winter profile now, which isn't much. And you can't really study this for where I cut and what happened because it was just so wild. So this broke and that's dead, so I'm taking that off. I do have life up to here. I'm going to remove that. I think I'm going to have to leave this having crossed this barrier because I have a place where something might sprout here. What do I want to do there? I don't think I have a choice. I think I have to, I've got leaf scars or something. I think I'm going to cut it right above that wire. And that about does it for the winter profile. Wait, do I want to keep this one here? That one ends in midair. Why doesn't this one? Okay, from this Penjing, I got some miniature daisies that I hope will develop. I've brought this down to its bare minimum to grow from. I mentioned that this was very late. This season, it was very late coming into leaf. We'll have to see what happens next year. It scared me a little bit. I kept this one in the greenhouse. I think I'm going to keep it outside all year. I'll put some cut paste on those just to make sure. And that'll be it for this. My Long Island Vineyard Penjing, which I did for fun. Thanks for keeping me company in my backyard.